We're out at the Berkshires in Massachusetts at a Holiday Inn. Out in the mountains. So beautiful. There's a path on the other side. I want to find it. We can go walk on the other side. We're in a pretty big Holiday Inn compound here. And the Berkshires is a nice place. Yeah, see, there's a guy walking over there. I gotta go find that path. Come on, girls, let's keep looking for it. Holiday Inn Oak and Spruce in Lee, Massachusetts, out in the Berkshires. That's the name of this place. It's still chilly out, so... But man, what a beautiful view, huh? This is the stuff you can fall asleep to. So peaceful. We found the other walking trail on the other side of the water. There's the river, and I don't know what this is, but there it is. Oh, is there a sign here? Historical landmark.
Yeah.
No fires permitted. Yeah, that thing's leaning big time.
How did it simply copy?
I don't ask me. We're gonna have to look it up. Beautiful tree too, huh? Stick the camera in there. Tell me if you guys see anything. That's cool. All right, let's take a picture. That's so cool. Guys, stand in front of it. Blake, with your sisters.